Ladies and gents, new challenge for today, seeing as how we fucked up yesterday's challenge. So now I'm going to be starting a new series whereby we're going to be trying to grow $2 to $10 and make a withdrawal.
Stupid Western, it's payback time.
I can't say for sure how often I'm going to be posting, but expect a lot of content. Also expect new content coming soon, RBHR content. Betting content gonna start in like September, yeah, maybe end of August. But yeah, let's get right into it. Okay, so now we've come back again and we found V50. Most people, I don't know what they'd see here, but what I'm seeing here is a cup and handle. I'm thinking price could go like this and keep going up, maybe until here. Maybe even I don't know if we could keep buying the whole day. But a couple of days ago, I was looking at this. I was looking at this flag right here to break to the upside. Unfortunately, it broke to the downside. This was before I started the channel, before I started posting. Now, what are we looking at? Let's go up higher. And what I see over here is the right shoulder of another head and shoulders. So we could be planning on going to touch up there. I'm thinking yeah, it's not bad. So right here could enter and hold it all the way up to here. Just hold it the whole day. But a $2 account could last. Nah. But a head and shoulders pattern right here. Hopefully you guys can see that. Hopefully you guys are starting to notice this. I might be trading Quasimodo and head and shoulders a lot. Yeah. I think if I buy here, I'm G. If I buy here, I'm G. I know this, a lot of people will say that this is a low quality setup, but I don't know, I've seen this pattern, I've seen price do this before in like another one of the volatilities. So yeah. It's just $2, bruh. It's just $2. Sometimes, bruh, you have to dream. You have to dream. So yeah, we're inside and be holding. Could hold until there. We could just maybe hold for a couple of hours. Chow a bit of time. 16 USD is a lot. That's a lot. Keep going. The 4-hour candlestick is about to close. So yeah. But I still feel like I could find some more setups on other pairs. That's what I like to do. So I'm probably gonna try and fund another $2 onto my second account and look for another setup. Alright, another setup here. Jump 25. Looks like a triangle. It's a triangle and an uptrend. So yesterday we were trying to trade another triangle and the trade lost. Now that triangle was in a downtrend and it went up. I thought it was gonna go down. So within the triangle, this triangle again here, we see a Quasimodo. Draw my trend lines so that you guys can see it a bit more clearly. So here we have the Quasimodo This is our area of resistance within the Quasimodo. If price does decide to go down lower, if it does decide to go down lower, we're gonna have to measure our TP and just play it safe. Because overall, I've been analyzing this thing on the daily, and on the daily it's in a buy. If we sell, it's gonna go until here. And what do we have here? Another Quasimodo. Now usually if the Quasimodo breaks upwards, later on it's gonna come back down to retest the right shoulder. So that's what we could be seeing here. It's a bit of a crazy trade, bit of a crazy setup. It's gonna require like a sniper entry. So let's go down to the lower time frames and try and refine our entry. Currently, what I'm seeing is just another smaller Quasimodo here. And what I said in the last video, Quasimodo is one of the most common patterns in trading. You see it almost every single day. Here, this is the neckline. And we have this sort of like double top. If we enter here, that could be G. That could be G. Give us like a long-term setup. Here we already had 1-2 touches, then a fake out. So yeah, this could be our sniper entry zone. Right here. Go down to the 2 minute. Might go down soon, bruh. But the thing I'm most worried about, bruh, is blowing the account, because jump 25, the margin for it is like $1. So I don't really have $2 at my disposal. I have $1 at my disposal. So that sniper entry is gonna have to be on point. I think what I'm gonna be looking for the price to do is sort of like calm down a bit here and then go up with like a bullish candlestick, but leave a bullish wick, and then I know what, okay, here it's probably done, like it's a retest here, and then I'll continue to the downside. So yeah, I think I'm gonna wait for that. Yeah, maybe it'll pass me by something. Maybe I'll miss my entry, but either way it's fine. We still have another setup that's going on now. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit. Okay, so ladies and gents, we came back to check on the account, and we found that we are up $6. I say we close, take profits and run. We'll look for another trade later, and yeah, there's no point in holding it, because sometimes, bro, you just have to take what the market gives you and run. Don't look back. And there's also another trade that we were looking at earlier. Forgot what it was on. Okay, we found the setup again. So here's what we're looking at now. My prediction was wrong. Instead of just retesting the neckline of this double top, price just decided to start shooting up. I don't know. I think it could come and do a fake out above this trend line here. I'm not gonna extend it, but I want you guys to imagine it coming and doing a fake out on top there. If it does a fake out on top above this trend line, this one that I'm pointing at, then yeah, it could be a really good sell. But otherwise, the boy is up and we're gonna chill. Maybe come back again, analyze the market at around 1 or 2, maybe not. Might even just come back at like 6, 7, 9, 10, somewhere there. But yeah, it's looking good, boys. It's looking good. Alright, another setup has been found. So here we are with what looks to be a channel. An upward channel. We have maybe around 3 touches there. Let's go down. 3 touches there. Another touch here. We have 1, 2, 3 again. So both sides are maybe primed for a breakout. I'm still not sure whether this counts as like multiple touches or just one touch, seeing as how that pack like so close together. But again, this is the trade that blew my account in the last video. This is the one that got away. Here we are with sort of like could have been a double top, but price moves in mysterious ways. Here we are with this Quasimodo, but this head and shoulders right here, which price decided to respect, move up, come down, form another head and shoulders again, which this time it broke to the downside, which I was hoping this one was gonna do. Yeah, no, this again, it looks like a double top, but I don't think we're gonna go below this. I don't think we're gonna break to the downside just yet. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna wait and see what price does around here, because I'm thinking that price might start going up and touching this top trend line. Oh yeah, that's what I'm looking at. I don't think price is gonna continue going to the downside. Right, ladies and gentlemen, back again on V251, and here's what we found. Price right now is doing a double bottom here. We had this inverse head and shoulders / Quasimodo. Price broke down. Now what I know it has to do is it has to come back and retest this right shoulder. So with that in mind, I am going to be placing my shadow zone here. I am going to be looking for my entry here. Let's go down to the 5 minute. Now one thing I've learned about double bottoms and double tops, when it happens, when they occur and they retest this area here, looking at this, there is a support and resistance zone here. If you are looking at trading one of these, always know that if it retests this zone, it makes it more of an A+ setup. And we have this Quasimodo here. So remember, draw a trend line to this one and draw a trend line here. Or let me just try it for you guys. I'm always telling you guys to imagine it, but yeah. So here, you draw a trend line there. This is just for imagination purposes, but yeah. You do a trend line here. We have our Quasimodo set up right here, and here is the fake out. Here is another inverse head and shoulders. So this for me is a buy. It's a buy. Right here, I could decide to risk like 120 here. and I don't know, usually I want to increase it to like maybe 10 lots and see what happens. That'll give us like 16. And yeah, you know what, bro, I want to increase it, so let's give it 6. Let's give it 7. 7 is actually better. Let's give it 7 lots. We risk 4. This is a tough one. Tough pill to swallow. But nah, I think a lot size of 4 is actually better. This is better. If we touch $8, that's nice. Where's here we go? We entered B251S. This is only 69 points, so we can't put a stop loss. So we're just gonna have to keep coming back and checking the trade. Otherwise, it's a really good take profit for me. Price goes up and touches here, I'm out. Willing to hold this trade and risk $2.76. Now that we've entered on this setup, let's go and look for another setup.
2 hours later.
Alright guys, so our earlier trade from earlier failed. Luckily, I checked the markets when price was around here, and I realized that no, if price is going to come back below here, come back and reach this zone without breaking up above here, then the trade wasn't valid. So I closed it early. We're at 6.68 USD right now. I'm gonna be looking for another trade, and we're also going to be trading NFP today, USD JPY, maybe Euro USD, whichever one gives me the better setup. But yeah, always, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna be trading NFP now. I think it's gonna be a sell. You know, Trump was saying that we're going to war, the dollar is gonna go down, and we've been going up for a very long time. So yeah. Let's go NFP. Yo. Hey, it's gaping. Hey. I'm closing. Oops. Now we made something. This is my first ever profitable NFP, bruh. First ever profitable NFP. We closed early, but we closed early, but we chopped. Would have been at 4. How many trades was this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it could have been at 32. But 35. Guys, we chopped. We chopped. But no. I had enough. Guys, I chopped. Could have touched 6 USD, bruh. Touched 5.5 on each trade. 8 times 5, 40. I would have been at $50. That would have been wow. But folks, so long we chopped. And it's pushing. It is pushing, guys. I know. This is my first profitable NFP. Oops. Let me close and go chow a young withdrawal. Alright guys, so After chopping NFP, here we are again with another setup on Jump 100. Now, what I decided to do was I removed $35 and kept $5. That's what we're going to be working with here. Here, looking at this trade, what I see again, Quasimodo, but the most profitable way of trading this is to wait for a fake out on either the bottom trend line or the top trend line. The bottom trend line here, what I'm seeing is this. I'm seeing these equal lows, which means what? Liquidity. Lots and lots of liquidity. On top of that, I'm seeing this pattern again here. So this pattern, I don't know how to describe it. What I can say about it is that price will come down, will start consolidating and trying to push up, and then it will push up and break a trend line, break but do a fake out before coming back down. This trend, this trade, this setup, price will go high a bit before coming back down. So seeing that, I am looking to sell. For more confirmation, I see this, another Quasimodo within the big Quasimodo and within the unnamed setup, the unnamed pattern. I'm gonna put our shadow zone here at the resistance. I'm gonna go lower, try and refine our entry, and what do we see? We see an order block. Remember what I said in the last video, order blocks within the Quasimodo, powerful. And right now we've already touched it. I'm gonna be looking for some sort of sign of a reversal here. I'm looking for a reversal, and on this here is support and resistance zone. Price could be retesting it to go lower, or it could just be pushing up. We just wanting to push up higher a bit. It's the first minute of the 5-minute candlestick, and if you've been trading for a while, you'll know that before price can go down, it has to go up. Like that, it went down first, it's going down during this minute, it might decide to go up first. So we could either just sell here and break, or we could wait. Now for those of you that watched my last video, I think by now you guys will have realized that this guy doesn't like to wait. This guy is impatient. 87, 5.87. Could risk it now, pray, or we wait, because this is a nice trade. This trade will give us $20. We aim for here. Get a young 20 USD. Get a young 20 USD from this trade. So yeah. I'm gonna just wait for a better entry, and then we'll enter. See you soon. Back again on Forex. This thing went down all the way jamming elevator. It pushed down with a lot of momentum. 30-minute candle is about to close. Me, I might just enter. And yeah. I'm gonna hope for the best. I'm gonna risk the whole account. I'm gonna let it revive. If it wins, the boy touches $18. If it doesn't, get life, Buffett. If it doesn't win, get life. But yeah, I'm gonna hold this. Gonna come back after a couple of hours.
2 hours later.
Alright, ladies and gents, to conclude the second video of this channel, we are ending in profits. Now, my last video was a loss, but today's video, and we have made profits, dog. We have made profits. Altogether, we are up maybe $40. So this trade from earlier, I decided to close it. Because I let price go all the way until here. I saw here we're at $6, and I was like, you know what, man, I'm gonna keep holding it. So I let it go, came back up. I didn't lose faith. Opened the charts again, and I found it here. Yeah, no, I gave one Heliquano, and I'm just looking at all these fair value gaps, and I'm like, bro, dog, all these fair value gaps, this big ass candle. And I'm like, I hope it's Friday, guys. One thing that I think every trader should do is not trade every day. Saturdays, Sundays, even if you are trading the Raven, you can trade Saturdays and Sundays. Even if you can trade every single day, don't do it. Always take a break from trading. Always take a break. So I'm gonna see y'all, I think, next week Tuesday. I've decided that I'm no longer trading Sundays. I'm no longer trading on Mondays as well, because Sundays I'm not consistent. I don't consistently make money. There are days where I do make money, but there are lots and lots of days where I lose money on Sundays, lots and lots of days where I don't find any setups on Sundays. So yeah, even Mondays, bad setups. I find a lot of bad setups. So the boy is done. We made $8 off the trade. The account is now at $13.95. We are chilling. A good day today overall. Good day today. I'm gonna see y'all in the next video where we finna be taking $1.95, not $2, just $1.95.